Alright, we're replacing the turbo solenoid for the boost valve and taking the intake off so far and chasing the lines. So let me take you down. Let's see, focus. Right. This is the part we're replacing. This line just runs up to here. It's got a little clip. Undo with a pair of pliers. Pop this part out. So that's the right side of the orientation. And then I've got one right on top that comes up to here, to the blow-off valve, and then the other one is this one here, comes along the firewall, can't really see it, comes along the firewall and to the left side of that. So currently that's the orientation I have. So this is the one that goes to the engine, the longer one. The shorter one somehow is meant to go to the blower valve, though it doesn't look long enough. And then this one is going up to the radiator, to the intercooler. Well, that was a royal pain in the ass. Got these little clips that are impossible to get out. And then this is the orientation of the sensor. It sits like that in the car. Before I lose it. And one bolt holding it in. This little tab connects to the back of another sensor, which is this one here, and it clips in there, so you have to put a screwdriver in here and slide the part out, which is really hard because you can't rotate it properly, but we did get it out. This is the clip for the sensor that we're replacing. See on the top here there's some grooves. This spring clip slides over the brace. Let's see if we can do it with one hand. So it sits in this orientation. It sits in that orientation. The other key part is this extension here. This goes to the top of the bumper blow-off valve down there.